Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about add text to speech on TikTok. Part 2. Number 5. To change the voice, tap the text box and choose change voice and choose change voice in the pop-up menu. Number 6. Select the text to each piece. Select the text to each page. Voice you want to use. At the bottom of the screen and tap done Number 7. Tap next to move on to the next step and post your video or save it as a draft Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.